Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you hide your notes from someone on Instagram. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me, let's jump right into it. First, you open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, and make sure the Instagram app is updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, open Instagram, make sure you are logged into your account, and then tap on the Chats button in the top right corner to go to your Chats category. From here, tap on Note because we need to create a note first. From here, let me start making up my note. I'm just gonna write down some random stuff, and before sharing it, I need to tap on Share with followers you follow back here. And then instead of this option, I'm gonna select Close Friends right here. When I select it, I tap again on Close Friends. From this list, I'm gonna select all the users except for the one that I want to hide my note from. Once I do that, I can tap on Done in the bottom right here, and then once again I tap on Done right there, and then I tap on Share in the top right corner to share my note with only close friends. So basically, that person that I have not selected in that list will not be able to see my note. That makes it hidden from that user. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And again, as always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos, guys.